好，咁嚟緊咧，我哋會講咧 displacement reaction 啊。咩叫 displacement reaction 咧？就係喺個 reaction 入邊咧，more reactive metal 啊，勁啲嘅金屬啊，就會咧可以 displace 到一隻 less reactive metal from the compound of the solution 嘅。OK，咁呢個咩意思啊？咁啊，其實咧，只要我做一做 example 就知㗎啦。一個勁啲嘅金屬就會 displace 冇咁勁嘅金屬出嚟嘅。我睇睇下邊嘅一個 reaction 啊，鋅同 copper two sulfate 去 react，然後 form 鋅 sulfate 同埋 copper。係就係會做呢個 reaction 嘅。好，咁成條 reaction 咧，你會見到啦，就係鋅啦同埋 copper two sulfate 去做 reaction，然後 form 鋅 sulfate 同埋 copper 啦。呢個就係個 chemical reaction 啦。咁你見到鋅係會踢走個咩出嚟啊？本身 copper 係一個 ion form 嘅，但係咧當佢擺咗落鋅擺落去之後咧，鋅就會踢走個 copper。然後咧就 displace 咗佢出嚟，就 form 鋅 ion 啦，就 form 鋅 sulfate，然後 copper 咧就會出咗嚟。咁點解有呢個 reaction 咧？就係因為鋅係一個更加 reactive 嘅 metal。OK，咁佢咧想做 reaction 嘅時候咧，佢就會放電子。咁放電子俾邊個咧？就放電子俾咗copper to ion。咁即係 copper to ion 就收咗電子啦。好啦，鋅放咗電子就會 form 個鋅 two plus，咁所以呢個位置咪鋅 nitrate 咯。咁另外啦，copper to ion 收咗電子咪 form 個 copper 咯。咁就係一個咁嘅 reaction 啊。所以呢個就 displacement reaction，一個勁啲嘅金屬會 displace 一隻冇咁勁金屬出咗嚟嘅。OK，咁然後啦，你可以睇翻呢個重點啦。呢個位置鋅佢係一隻 more reactive 嘅 metal 啦。好啦，而咧 copper 就係點啊？copper 就係一個 less reactive 嘅 metal 咯，咁 that's why 咧鋅咧就可以 displace 咗copper from copper to sulfate 啦，OK，less reactive metal 啦喺呢個位置。OK，咁點樣去解釋點解鋅係可以 displace 到 copper 出嚟咧？咁我哋要寫翻啲文字去解釋翻成個 reaction 發生緊乜嘢事嘅。好，有文字版點解釋啊？首先第一句啊就係鋅咧係 more reactive than copper。That's why 咧鋅咧 can displace copper from copper to sulfate。OK，呢一句子咧，好多同學咧就亂鬼咁寫嘅。OK，有啲同學就會寫啦，鋅咧就會 displace copper to sulfate。咁呢個係語癌嘅。OK，咁就唔好咁樣寫。鋅 displace 咗個 less reactive 嘅 metal 就係 copper 啦。喺邊度 displace 出嚟啊？就係 copper to sulfate 啦。成句點樣解釋咧？就係咁樣解釋。而成個 reaction 點樣發生咧？咁你自己 highlight 翻呢兩句先。呢兩句係非常重要嘅，去 describe 成個 reaction 做緊啲乜嘢。而點解鋅係可以 displace 咗個 copper 出嚟啊？就係試完第一樣嘢，鋅佢 metal 嚟噶嘛，咁嗰啲 atom 咧想 react 做 reaction 嘅時候就會放電子啦 ，metal 放電子啊嘛，然後就會 form 咗鋅 two plus，然後佢放嗰啲電子俾邊個啊？其實係俾copper to ion 啊嘛，咁所以 that's why 就係 copper to ion 就 gain 咗 electron 就 form 個 copper atoms，that's why 咧就有呢個 reaction 去發生啦。OK，成個 reaction 咧就係做緊呢一回事啊，因為鋅比 copper 更 reactive，所以鋅係可以 displace 到 copper from copper to copper to sulfate。咁成個 electron transfer 就係下邊呢兩句啦。我哋藍色就係 reactive 啲嘅 metal 嗰句啦，放電子；綠色就係冇咁 reactive 嗰個 metal 啦，嗰隻 ion 咧收電子先嘅。好啦，咁講完嗰個 principle behind 之後，就講成個 reaction 做嘅時候有啲咩 observation 咯。好，個 observation 係咩？有兩點嘅。你見到咧，鋅本身係 shiny silvery solid 嚟噶嘛？佢做完 reaction 之後 form 乜嘢啊？form 咗啲 copper， 係 form 喺邊度啊？就係 form 喺嗰個鋅 metal 嘅上邊。所以你會見 expect 咧，一開始係 shiny silvery 嘅，但係做完 reaction 之後咧，你係會見到一啲嘅 reddish brown solid will form on the surface of zinc metal。呢個係重點 ，reddish brown solid forms。OK，呢個 reddish brown solid forms 咪就係copper 咯，OK 就係 copper 咯。而第二個 observation 係咩啊？本身個 solution 咩顏色㗎？應該係藍色㗎嘛，因為我最中意嘅 copper two 顏色啊嘛。咁而佢不斷做 reaction 嘅時候 ，copper two ion 不斷少啊。因為 form 個 copper metal 出嚟啊嘛，咁 that's why 嗰個顏色會變得點啊？會變得淺咗啦，因為少咗呢個 copper two ion 啊嘛，咁 that's why the blue color of the solution will become paler， 或者第二個字就係 fade gradually 就會咧慢慢咧變淡色啦。呢個就係成個 reaction 第一要識嘅嘢，包括就係 chemical equation 識寫啦，點樣解釋發生咩事啦，最尾啦就係個 observation 啦。好啦，做多一個 example 俾大家睇，或者你哋可以 pause 咗條片，可唔可以自己根據呢個 reaction 寫翻 chemical equation 同埋嗰個嘅principle 同埋呢個 observation 咧？咁我會繼續講嘅。如果你即係想自己寫下就自己寫啦，唔使睇得㗎啦，都識晒㗎啦，你哋可以係。 係啦，咁所以咧下一條咧就係 copper 同埋 silver nitrate 做 reaction，form a copper 2 nitrate 同埋 silver 啦。好，首先第一樣嘢啦，就寫翻條 chemical equation 先，咁就 copper 啦，就同埋silver nitrate 做 reaction，然後 copper nitrate 就 form 出嚟啦，最尾就 silver metal form 出嚟啦。好啦，第一樣嘢成個 reaction 就係 copper 係 more reactive 啦。咁你就可以自己 mark 翻低呢個位置copper is more reactive metal。咁而 silver 係點啊？係 less reactive，所以就出咗嚟啦。咁呢個咪好明顯一個 displacement reaction 咯。copper displace silver from silver nitrate 咯。好啦，咁成件事點樣解釋啊？就係 because copper is more reactive than silver。甲鈉同鎂鋁鋅鐵元銅咁啊嘛，我哋銅係勁過silver 㗎，咁所以咧 copper 係 more reactive than silver，所以 copper can displace silver from silver nitrate 啦。好啦，呢兩個就係個 principle 啦，成個 displacement reaction 發生嘅原因啦。然後點樣去進行成個 reaction 啊？就係 copper atom lose electron to form copper 2 ion。At the same time, silver ion 會 gain electron to form silver atom。That's why 咧 copper 就會慢慢消失，然後就 form 咗 silver 出嚟啦。好，咁最尾 observation 啊，咁就係呢個位啦。你會見到咧，本身係reddish brown solid 嚟噶嘛，即係 reddish brown metal 啦，就係 copper 啦。做完 reaction 之後會 form 咗 silver 出嚟㗎，咁所以你會 expect 咧 shiny silvery solid will be formed on the copper metal。OK， 咁就會 form 咗擺喺上邊啦。OK， 第二個 observation 係乜嘢？第二個 observation 咧就係因為本身 copper 係 metal 嚟㗎嘛，呢個位置。咁然後 silver nitrate 冇顏色㗎嘛，但係 copper 放完電子之後就會 form 咗copper 2 ion。copper 2 ion 係咩顏色啊？藍色，所以兜 solution 就會變藍色啦。呢個就係成個 displacement reaction 做緊啲乜嘢啦。